Again, I'm very happy, guys, by watching my crocus flowers. It's already coming out in here into the backyard of my garden. Very happy. And I got few more around in here into the backyard of my garden. And I had some into the front lawn of my garden, but I guess I gonna take some pretty quick short video again once I have my own time and chance, things like that. This kind of crocus flowers looking beautiful color. It's a purple color, but it's really looking gorgeous and beautiful. And it's part of hardy flowers or plants, things like that, just because I don't have to look after with it. It's just coming out on its own every time, this time of the year. So that means when these flowers come out, it means the springtime it's coming soon. Maybe give another few more months or 2 to 3 months later on. That means spring will be coming soon, and I'm looking forward to it really once the spring coming. So this kind of crocus flowers only come out once in a year before spring, after I mean after December, like February, March, April, things like that. But once these flowers come out, it doesn't take long last. Maybe it's only take about 3 to 1 month altogether, and it'll be gone by then. But it's lovely to keep my eye open because I guess this kind of flowers is really gorgeous and beautiful, and I love watching this. Yeah, I love watching this. Look at this, really gorgeous looking color, and I don't have to look after with it really. It's just I just leave it, and then every after December, like January, like February, March, things like that, this kind of flowers just about start coming out. So I'm pretty happy once these things come out because it's a sign of spring coming soon. That's it. Yeah, very happy by having this. And I think I had to take some pretty quick short video. The one I had into the front lawn of my garden, because I got two different kind of color crocus flowers into the front lawn of my garden. I had the yellow one, golden yellow one, and purple one, and that's it. That's all the colors that I had, but I gonna go out there soon just to take some pretty quick short video again. Anyway, I won't be long now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like it, and see you soon. Bye.